It's Saturday, good afternoon. Heading to Amy and Andrew's wedding down at the Blacksmith shop. Third week in a row I think I've been there. But kind of tired. I had a rather stressful morning and evening last night, but just getting in bed late, and my laptop, my office laptop, has finally gone to the great beyond. And what scared me about that was the fact that I thought I was going to lose all my information and data and everything, and they didn't get a chance to back up this week, and so I was a little freaked out about that. So I headed down to Best Buy, bought a hard drive, and they didn't have the enclosure I needed, so I went to Staples. They didn't have it. Radio Shack had one, but in Warner Robins, which for those of you not from around here is a 30-minute drive. And then I went to a place called Quality Computer here in town, and very impressed. They had what I needed. I was able also to pick up a Apple, one of the mini laptops, for $29. I mean, it's a crazy price. But anyway, got everything back home, hooked it up, and it's something in the not the hard drive, it's something in the computer itself. So gonna have to do something about getting a new computer, and see if I can't make everything work. I'm sorry I'm spacing here a minute. There's a bunch of crotch rocket motorcycles going down the highway here, and they're just about stopping in the turn lane. Look at this, or it's in the lanes. This is crazy. They're just going slow. Anyway, I'll talk to you some more as we get to the Blacksmith. The guests have arrived. We're waiting on the bride and groom to get here, and the bridal party. Then you gotta love a reception where you get to play Allman Brothers, Skinner, Clapton. You gotta love it. Let me show you the setup before it gets too dark and you won't be able to see it. There you go. Yep, that's the new facade. back alley behind the blacksmith shop, heading home. I can sum up tonight's reception in one word. Wow. What a great bunch of friends. Oh, we went for 6 hours. Amy and Andrew are the best sports in the world. On their way to the reception from the ceremony, the limo broke down 4 blocks from the blacksmith shop, and they walked 4 blocks. Her in her wedding dress, him in his tux. They walked 4 blocks to the reception, and then from that point on, it just went 90-0. It was awesome. Great bunch of friends, a lot of people from out of town. I've never seen an Icelandic older gentleman dance like that. But thanks so much for letting me be a part of it. I hope you guys have a great honeymoon. I know you guys are still out partying, and it's 1:15. As for me, I am going home and I'm going to bed. I already feel I'm getting sick because now that the hype of the weekend is over and all this pushing myself way too far, I am getting sick. So I'm going to go home and take some Nichols, and I'm going to hopefully sleep more than 6 hours because I've been sleeping like garbage. I've got to go to the chiropractor. I have not been in over 2 months, and my back is all stove up. My neck hurts. Cinnamon, I'm coming to see you, and then I'll go to the chiropractor. But I'll give a little shout out. If you're in Macon and you need a good massage therapist, somebody that can do deep tissue and make your chiropractic adjustments a whole lot easier and better, send me a message. I'll send you Cinnamon's contact info. Cinnamon Swan, licensed massage therapist. Can't beat it. Well, I'm out of here, and I'll leave you with this song.
I'm going to ask you this only once. Do you, or do you not, know about the birds? Because everybody's heard that the bird is the word. Bird. The bird's a word. Bird. The bird is a word. I want a bird. The bird's a word. I want a bird. When a bird is a word. I want a bird. The bird's a word. I want a bird. Bird's a word. I want a bird. When a bird is a word. Don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows the bird is a word. When a bird. The bird is a word. Hey, guy behind the counter. The bird is the word. Hey, frightened little child, the bird is a word. Hey, lady in the toilet, the bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Oh, well, a bird. A bird's a word. Well, a bird.
The guy in the car next to me. The guy in the car next to me. I think he's looking at me.
Bird, bird, bird. Bird, 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 bird. Bird's a word of fire. Don't you know about the bird?
Everybody knows about the bird.
The bird's a word of bird. Surfing.
This is a first. I'm listening to Macon radio, like local radio, because my neighbor still has my XM radio. It's crazy. I don't even really know what the channels are. Let's see, I listen to 940 Talk. I listen to classic rock. That's about all I know. I don't know why I told you that, but